Guys, welcome to the video. I've got a Panini Prism mosaic box. I'm very excited about opening this. So let's crack it open and see how we do. Welcome to the video, everybody. I hope you're enjoying this alternative content. Feedback so far has been pretty good. You guys seem to be enjoying it, which is great. And if you are new around here, then make sure you subscribe. We do lots of different openings on this channel. Pokemon, soccer, or football, if you want to call it that. Basketball, a little bit of baseball. We do everything. Really enjoy the different kind of things that we do. So, yeah, make sure you subscribe today. And leave me a like if you enjoy the content. Wow, packs galore. It says 5 cards per pack, find 12 prisms per box on average. Right, let's see how we do. There are potentially some really nice ones in these packs. Potentially. There's no guarantees we'll get them, but you never know. A Zion would be nice. Let's get the first one open. I'll do it this way around because I'm not sure what it shows you on the bottom. This is the first time I've opened these, so it'd be interesting. DJ Augustin. Got a Buddy Hield. A Rodney Hood. A Royce O'Neal. It's a nice one. I'll keep the shiny ones. And a Hall of Fame Dominique Wilkins. Really cool looking cards. Right. We've got a Kawhi Leonard. A Malcolm Brogdon. Chris Paul. We've got a Eric Bledsoe from the Bucks. And a Patrick Ewing from Team USA. These are so cool. I don't know if you can get numbered cards in these. Whether you can get signatures. I don't think you get signature. I'm not seeing any numbered ones yet, so I'm assuming you can't get numbered cards. Miles Bridges, Landry Shamet, Scottie Pippen, Hall of Fame. That's wild cool. Love that. And a Kyle Guy, and that's a rookie. We'll keep the rookies. So now this time with a Derrick Rose, a Brandon Ingram, Diallo. We've got a Kristaps Porzingis and an Oscar Robertson from the Hall of Fame. Don't think there's any numbers on them so far, no. Right, Jaylen Brown, Langston Galloway, Josh Hart, a Brandon Clark, and a Zion Williamson rookie card. Wow, that top edge is terrible. We've got a Zion rookie. That is the first time I've had a Zion rookie. Wow. Now that is a pull. Will it fit in there? Should do. Sports card ones. There we go. Absolutely buzzing. My first ever Zion rookie. I don't even care what I get now. I got a Zion rookie card. Buzzing. Anthony Davis. No, I'm not saying his name. Jamal Murray. Got a John Wall and a Ty Jerome. Rookie card as well from the Suns. Next, I've got a Jeff Teague from Minnesota. Dragic, DeMar DeRozan. We've got a Nicolo Melli and a NBA debut, Ty Jerome. Rookie card again. Right, starting off with a Patrick Beverley, Terrence Ferguson, Justice Winslow, got a Nicolo Melli, and a DeAndre Hunter. That's a rookie. NBA debut card. Very nice. Right. Andre Drummond. Willie Steve. Dario Saric. We've got a Tyrus Jones. And a Steph Curry MVP's card. Very nice. Steph Curry is hot at the moment. The guy's killing it. Right. Damian Lillard. James Harden. Nikola Jokic. Got an Eric Gordon. And a Darius Garland. NBA debut rookie again. We're getting some nice rookies out of these. Obviously, Zion's probably the best one. A Luka one would be nice now. We got a Luka Doncic. That would be just amazing. Right, Joe Ingles. Jarrett Allen. We've got a Devin Booker. Oh, look at that. A Hall of Fame Oscar Robertson gold card. That's a Prism. Very nice. I love that. That looks so cool. And we got a Bruno Fernando, rookie. Last pack. Oh, I love that. Rodney Hurd, Norman Powell, Alfred Payton, a LeBron James MVP card, and a Kobe White. Wow. We've got a LeBron and a Zion in the same pack opening. A Zion rookie, no less. Oh, guys, I'm absolutely buzzing with this. Look at them. That's it. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.